Good evening, all my YouTubers out there. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Dollars Make Sense. And here we are on my YouTube channel right here. And as you guys can see, I upload videos. I'm starting to upload videos daily just because I want you guys to know what I do online and how I can help you make money online as well with the things that I do. Okay? So, I just recently uploaded my video that I did the part 1 of websites you can use to earn some extra cash. So here we are in the part 2 of that video today. So I hope you guys, enjoy this video, like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? So we're going to get into the second part of the video. This is part 2. So we're going to And the website we're going to talk about is Grab Points. The first website in the part 2 video we're going to talk about is Grab Points, okay? And as you can see, you can log in with either Facebook or Google. I recommend Google because it's attached to your Google account. So you guys would be able to basically log in with your Gmail account, and you won't have to worry about remembering the password. If you remember your password to your email, just make sure you're logged into your email that is attached to your Grab Points account, and it will automatically log you in. See? I'm logged in. Okay? So here we go. This is another Get Paid To site as well. I've talked about this video in the past, and here we are on Grab Points. Okay? So, sorry about that. As you can see, now I notice they have brought back Tap Research. It is one of the survey walls that they have. So we're going to get into that right now. They have Theorem Reach, which is a lot like Tap Research. They offer disqualification points. Your Surveys, Unlimited Survey Router. You can complete this in unlimited times. You get paid for your efforts through your favorite reward platforms. Okay, so you can get up to 1,000 points. is a fairly new survey router that they have. I have not tried those yet, but I keep getting emails that I should try them. Survey Time, I have not tried that either. Let's see if they have more surveys available. So they have My Thoughts Count, Opinion Capital, IRAs, Daily Survey Routing, Opinion Surveys, Research. They have a lot of survey routers, you guys. That's why Grab Points is so popular, because it has tons of things you can do on here. Tons of things you can do. Okay? So the next thing we're going to get into is the watch the videos section. They just recently added Hideout.tv. It's fairly new. For whatever reason, I can't watch any videos. I don't know what's the issue. Every time I try to, it always says error on my end. But I stay away from the videos anyway. I just do the surveys. They have tons of offers. Like I talked about in my last video that I did, there's let me see if I can find it. Here it is right here. Get 2 free books just for trying the I Can Read book club. You guys, this trial offer is worth it. You only pay $1, but guess what? Look how many points you're getting. 7,150. That is enough to get you a $5 PayPal cash out right here. 5,000 is all you need, but you have more than 5,000. You have 7,000. But it's up to you. Like I said, I would do this only because it's $1, and you can cancel this anytime you want. It's up to you. Excuse me. But it's only $1, and I've done this multiple times before. It's only $1, and it's worth it because you get books for your kids. Okay? So this is a really good trial offer. The only reason I'm suggesting it is because look at the point amount you get. You can cash out $5 just by getting this. So you won't have to worry about going all the way to 5,000 points. Okay, it's up to you. You guys can, do what you want, but I'm just making suggestions. But I'm showing you what I do on here and what I would do if I'm coming on here for the first time and trying to get $5 fast. if you guys want to know if it pays or not, that's what I would do. And here are the other gift cards that they have. You guys can browse through this if you decide to sign up. But I'm taking you to the PayPal option so you guys can see. Let's see, where is it? It's all the way at the bottom here. Yeah, they have tons of gift cards, you guys. Tons of gift cards. See, here it is. It's down here. They put it way at the bottom. I'm not sure why they do that. PayPal. The lowest amount is $3, which is 3,000 points. The 5,000 points is $5. 10,000 points is $10. 20,000 points is $20, and 50,000 points is $50. The highest I've got to is 5,000 points. I've gotten cashed out $5 on here. I've cashed out $3 more than $5. I've cashed out $5 once and $3 like at least 2-3 times, just because 3,000 points is fast and easy to get to. I went to 5,000 because I wanted more. You guys can go as high as you want on here. If you're trying to get the higher amount, you can get it. You just have to work the site, okay? You have to put in the work, you guys. These sites, they're no joke. You have to put in the work, okay? I wouldn't be talking about it if it's not hard. It's not hard. It just depends on you, okay? So the second video, there's a referral program as well. You guys can refer your friends, and then you get points for their efforts. And I'm gonna get into the next site here. This is actually the same. Grab Points launched this site, so I was automatically signed in since it's attached to Grab Points. Grab Points launched this site, so I was automatically already attached to it when it launched. So I'm able to sign in automatically just because of that. So I have 614 points, and like I said, personally, what I would do is do that offer I was telling you about. This is the same exact thing. It's still 3,000 points, $3, all that. But this is just a different site. It's the same outline, just different name of the site. Okay. The rewards are the same. I'm really not going to scroll all the way down, but you guys get the gist of it. You guys can browse through all these sites if you decide to, all these gift cards if you decide to sign up. But that was Zoom Bucks for you. And going to go ahead and get into website number 3. Which is Plenty Benjies. This is a get paid to site. You guys have probably never heard of it before, but there's tons of videos on YouTube about it. It's free to sign up. You do the same thing. You do surveys. You do offers, trial offers. I'm not sure if Tap Research Surveys is on here, but I do know that this is a awesome site that people would love to sign up on. Okay, so see here, it's showing you what type of offer walls they have and what type of surveys. They have Opinion Capital, Wanna Ads. They have CPA Lead. They have Personal.ly. They have Offer Toro. They have PTC Wall. Minute Staff, which is very good. Minute Staff, you guys should really do that one. That was really good. Offer Daddy, Your Surveys, Samplicious, Inline Survey. Never heard of that's a new one. Safe So Rewards, that's a survey site. AdSend, Media, Pollfish. See, it's just showing you what type of offer walls they have. Now, like I said, this is the same site as the other ones, but we're almost out of time here, so I just wanted to show you guys those sites. And remember, this is part 2 of websites you can use to earn some extra cash. We'll see you in part 3.